Within Prolectric, what our ambition is to reduce the reliance of fossil fuels on temporary off-grid power. Think generators, construction market, lights in the middle of nowhere, CCTV cameras not connected to the grid. 90% of them kind of rely on diesel.
Obviously, any energy loads that you can cover through solar only is in some way, shape or form saving you money. So if you can utilise a source of energy that doesn't use diesel fuel, it makes financial and sustainability sense.
We are really, really passionate about developing and designing solutions that not only help businesses to save money, but also to have a really positive impact on the planet. We've been doing it for a long time, and we can definitely say that we are the true experts in our field.
Henry Ford, he has this really famous quote, and I just think it's really great. If I had asked what people wanted, they would have said faster horses. If all you do is listen to your customer, then often they will just tell you the solution they want. But what we need to do is find actually out what the problem is that they want solving, and then we can come up with a solution.
Prolectric have a 5-year innovation program where we bring a range of products to market which we've assessed as a good fit for the market opportunity.
Businesses and sectors that we want to work closely with, we get them down to Prolectric. We introduce some new product ideas, we talk about our 5-year development plan, we talk about our strategy and see, just get feedback and kind of really work with them from day one.
We've had some really nice feedback from people like the European Space Agency who have a lot of faith in our ability to deliver.
The products are really straightforward and easy. You can put solar-powered products out into use wherever you're going to apply them, and they just work. And then you can leave them and just forget about them, and they're just working on their own, very autonomous. They're very smart, intelligent, and they look after themselves. So it doesn't really make sense commercially or ethically to really go to another manufacturer, in my opinion. So that's why I would advocate that customers worked with Prolectric.